Back at it again, this time with
Dwayne, Kumala-Thomas in the sunshine.
All right.
Glare on the forehead, did you see that?
It's shining bright. Where are we again?
Out there.
Baird Machine. Let's go check it out, day 2. Oh, ever moving quick.
That was exciting. As we put the video in between us, we got mums in the back. We got an incredible experience to see it come to life as Ursula had the opportunity.
Day 2.
Yesterday. It is day 2. Peace and love. It's very exciting to see it. Very exciting to see it.